Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohan Hathanari. The channel fully focused on the biostatistics, data analysis and data visualization related video post on the channel. If you like the channel video, click to the subscription button and support to me join to our channel membership. Now we are the discussion topic for quadratic discriminant analysis. What is the discriminant analysis? The discriminant analysis DA is a statistical technique used to classify observations into predefined groups based on predictor variables. It works by finding a combinations of predictor variables that best separate the groups. DA is particularly useful when the dependent variable is categorical and the independent variables are continuous. There are two main types of the discriminant analysis in biological science for the biostatistics. The linear discriminant analysis assume that the groups have equal covariance matrix and use the linear combinations of the predictors. The LDA, the linear discriminant analysis. How to analyze the linear discriminant analysis in RStudio, that video already published in our channel. That video link mentioned to this video description box. Now the continued part of the discriminant analysis in quadratic discriminant analysis does not assume equal covariance matrix, allowing more flexibility but requiring the more data. The quadratic discriminant analysis. What is the quadratic discriminant analysis? QDA is a statistical classifications technique used in machine learning and patterns recognition. It is an extension of linear discriminant analysis LDA, but unlike LDA, QDA allows each class to have its own covariance matrix, making it more flexibility for the data set where classes distributions have different variations. How is QDA used in biological science? The QDA is a widely used in biological, ecology and medical research to classify organisms, identify the species, detect the disease and analyzing the complex biological data. So the quadratic discriminant analysis in RStudio. So open the RStudio software. Okay, now open the RStudio software. Before the three important library packages for QDA. The first one for the library for the mass packages. So the mass packages important analyze for the QDA, quadratic discriminant analysis. So first of all, I already installed the mass packages. So the loaded for the library, enter the command library mass. Okay, the next one, the important package is for caret for the confusions matrix. So the library install the packages for the caret. Okay, so the third one important packages for the visualization, ggplot2. Okay, the active for the three important library packages. So the already installed the three packages. So the active for the library packages in QDA. So installed next one for the imported to the data set. So I open the data set. So the data already make in the text format. So this is the data, the species present, the total the 10 different species and the 5 times the replication for the data and the temperatures and the pH and the salinity for the environmental parameters. So the data, whole the data copy and paste to the console sections. enter. So active for the data. So the next for the view for the data set. So the printed and view the data set for the shortly. And next one for the fit QDA model. So they enter the command QDA underscore the model, species, temperature, pH, salinity and data. So the next one for the printed for the QDA model summary. So enter the command for the print the QDA model. So this is for the QDA model, the print the data, the temperature, pH, salinity. Okay, the species A to the species J, the temperature and pH and the salinity for the data. So next one, enter the command for the predict using the QDA models. So the QDA underscore the command, enter the console sections. And next for the add predictions to the data set. Added to the data and connect to the prediction sections. So next one for the display, update the data with the predictions. So enter the command, the print. So the predictions for the species A and species A. So next one for the create a confusion matrix to evaluate the performance. So enter the command for the confusions underscore the matrix actual data set. So next for the enter the command for the print confusion models. Okay, this is for the productions data, actual data and the predicted the data, species A, species A5 and species A, species B 0. The whole the data present the predicted data. Next for the calculate for the accuracy in our data set. So enter the command in the console sections, accuracy analysis for the QDA data. So the QDA model's accuracy is 90%. So next for the planted for the creating for the QDA plot, Quadratic Discriminant Analysis in RStudio. So the two packages in important in the QDA packages. The first one for the ggplot, next one for the recolor browsing. So the two packages active for the library packages, ggplot, next one library for recolor browser. So the two important packages for the visualizing the QDA plot. So first for the defined the dark color and bold patterns for the QDA plot. So enter for the commands dark color and bold options. So next one for the command define the custom shapes for the 10 species. Okay, next one for the checking for the missing values for the predictors. If any the value for the missing our data, the checking for the confirmations in the command options. Okay, the no missing data. Next one for the created for the plot, the QDA in RStudio. So the ggplot, open the bracket and enter the command. Now created for the data set for the QDA plot in the RStudio. Click to the zoom options, view for the graphs, the Quadratic Discriminant Analysis QDA classifications the plot. So for the analyze for the temperature and the salinity. So predictor species for the different color, the oval shape, and different shapes for the actual species. So the species A to species J, the 10 different species and the 10 different color and shape also present in the QDA plot. And the continue part of the interpretations for the QDA data and the QDA plot I will explain for the another one video. That video link also mentioned to the this video description box, and if you want the full code and the data set I will upload for the our website page, and explain for the discriminant analysis the detail in the our website. That link mentioned to the description box on this video. And if you any doubt on this video, leave me the comments in the comment box. I will reply to you. Okay, thank you for watching this video.